So I created this pink Valentine's Day look using the Too Faced Natural Lust eyeshadow palette. This look is definitely very colorful. It's very out of the box, very out of my comfort zone for me because usually I like to wear like a neutral look, but I know there are some pink shades in this palette I've been dying to use, and I thought that I might as well just go and create a perfect Valentine's Day look. I did use some glitter to emphasize the shimmer, and then I used like a bold black wing, some bold false lashes, and that beautiful fuchsia purpley pink tone in the palette. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Afternoon Delight on my JH31. I'm just going to blend this all over the crease area. This is like a perfect brown, mauve pink shade. There's just a hint of pink. Just like that all over the crease. ColourPop E16, I'm gonna go in with the shade Take the Cake. This is like a baby pink shade. Blend this into the crease as well to add some pink definition. Blending those two together to create my own pink shade. I'm gonna take an E17, which is a much smaller brush, and I'm gonna take this shade Pin Down, that pink purple in the corner, and I'm gonna blend that into the outer V. It's almost like a pink purple. Blending that over into the crease. I'm just adding as little pigment as possible to really build it up. Brush, go back in with Take the Cake, and just blend out the edges of that so everything's nice and smooth and not harsh. Brush wet. This is the JH41, and I'm gonna go in with the pink glittery shade called Sex Drive. I'm gonna pat that in the inner half. With my finger, I'm gonna go with the shade Sassy Brassy, darker gold, between the two. I'm gonna go with Milani Hypnotic Lights in the shade Starlight 04. I'm gonna apply that all over. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna take an E17 and go back in with the shade Pin Down. I'm going to brush this again in the outer V and over onto that gold. Take that same pin down shade, I'm gonna blend that in the bottom lash line in the outer area. Actually, I'm gonna blend that all along the bottom. Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm gonna draw a big wing. My Kat Von D Cake Black Pencil. Define my bottom waterline. And then tightline. Take some of Kylie's Cheers Darling highlight. Looks like that. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. Apply some mascara. Apply these bold lashes.